Okay, welcome YouTube community. Today is a very special day because this is my first video for the Digital Stacker series that's about to be presented to you on this point 5 page. And I'm very excited about that. So basically what the page is going to be about, we're going to have some shows where we're going to talk about Forex, and we're going to have some shows where we're going to talk about crypto. For the most part, I believe that like just going through a lot of the YouTube videos that has Forex education involved in them, most of the times you're just going to find like there's a lot of groups, or if you do come across somebody that seems like nice and want to tell you something or give you some advice on a pair, they generally trying to spin you into getting into some type of group. So I thought it would be a good idea to just kind of start a channel that a lot of traders that's like stuck in between whether they want to get in a group, because some groups, they do have a good educational library set up on your back office, but you know some of those fees every month is just ridiculous. I mean, you shouldn't have to pay $200 a month for education when majority of the education that's being presented in some of the videos, or even if it's like a course instructor, typically they're going to tell you a lot of the stuff that's already in public domain available for you to just look up and figure out for yourself. But don't get me wrong, everybody needs some type of guidance. And I think what we're going to do here with the Digital Stacker series is we're going to have that guidance available for those that, really ain't got it like that and just need a way to get into Forex so they can have just a little bit of that luck on their side, but true education that's going to get them, adding earnings to their equity so they can see their accounts growing. So that's the plan. Hopefully down the road we can like get maybe a Telegram group going and just see what happens. So okay, enough about that. So the first couple of videos, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through which broker to set up. Now, you probably could go to YouTube and find 1,000 videos on different type of brokers. So what I'm gonna say is what's gonna make my my choice of these three brokers different from any of them other videos is I'm gonna tell you why you should deal with these brokers because of which pair that's gonna maximize like your earnings if you trade correctly with this specific pair. So, but that's coming down the line. So I'm just going to start with this one broker. So here's number one. I'm giving you one little nugget already off the rip, just for coming to this channel, watching me, listening to me. I'm very thankful for that. Please like and subscribe so I can know that you're out there and you need these videos, and I'm going to continue to make them and get better, of course, better production and all of that coming along the way. So just stick in there with me, like and subscribe, and here we go. So the first one is Tradersway. All right, so Tradersway is a good broker because, in my opinion, they have history in the Forex game. They've been around because I've seen at least three different brokers, come and go since I've been involved in Forex. And Tradersway somehow always end up in a broker's conversation. When it comes to brokers platforms for Forex, Tradersway is always going to be in the conversations because they're one of the oldest ones. So that's a benefit to you. That means they got history, they got skin in the game, and that's what you want. Two, they have like a good variety of pairs to trade. And to me, I mean, I never had no problems. I've seen a couple of videos where some people don't like Tradersway because one thing of the or another with the payments and withdrawals. But you know, I did a deposit and a withdrawal, and they both was smooth. So I have no problems with that. And yeah, so you can go to. I got a link in the description. You can hit the link in the description. Come to this page and open an account. Okay, open an account. If you were interested in Forex, here's a perfect broker to start off with. And you don't have to be chain and ball to these brokers. You can explore different brokers, different platforms. They all have, you know, different. I think typically maybe the spreads will be the same across the board, maybe a little difference, but for the most part, they're all the same. Um, some a little bit more complicated, a little junky, you know, on the website, but for the most part, it's a really basic sign up process. All you have to do, pretty much print your name, first and last name, give them an email, you know, birthday. Um, you know, in these cases, I just try to provide as much information as possible because it is your account. It's not like you're doing something illegal or, you know, against the law. This is a legitimate platform, and trading Forex is a legitimate occupation for some. Some people don't even ever go to work. They just get up, make they trades, and that's it. So you know, you want to give as much information about yourself so you, when it's time for you to withdraw your money, there's no problems. They can identify who you are, confirm who you are because of your credentials matching up. So, you know, be straightforward when you filling out this information and give the information, the most current information. And if you need any help with any of this, opening an account, I do have tutorial videos available. All you got to do is hit me up, email me. I'll shoot you some links over. But for now, I just wanted to do a little introductory video introducing the digital stackers. We definitely going to make some leeway in 2020 with this Forex and crypto thing. I'm looking forward to it. And that's all I got for you guys today. So like and subscribe if you want to continue to receive these videos and me get you the best information out there and help you out with this Forex. Like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video.